Hello, good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Felicity Hotel. I am Sophia. How can I help you?
Can I make a reservation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any available rooms on 10 to 11?
Okay, ma'am. What month, ma'am?
March.
March. May I know what type of room do you want, ma'am?
Superior room.
Superior. Okay, ma'am. Upon checking to our system, we have available superior room on your arrival date.
That's good.
Wait for a moment, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. May I know your name, please?
It's Ellen Dayanan.
Could you spell it for me, ma'am?
E
E
double L
double L
E N
E N. And for your last name?
D A
D A
Y A
Y A
N
N
E N.
E N. And do you have middle initial, ma'am?
It's C.
C. Okay, ma'am. For how many persons will be staying, ma'am?
One E.
For only one. Superior room. Okay, ma'am. May I ask your home address?
It's Cebu City.
Cebu City. May I know your contact person, please?
It's Nicole Gomez.
Please contact her contact number
0906
0906
85
85
25
25
448.
448. By the way, ma'am, may I ask your contact number?
It's 09
09
97
97
741
741
60
67.
7.
Okay, mama, what mode of payment do you want?
Credit card.
Credit card. May I ask your credit card, ma'am?
Can I just give you my credit card?
Yes.
Secret.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Do you have your company, ma'am?
No.
No. So, may I repeat it, ma'am? Your name is Miss Ellen Dayanan, and your arrival on March 10, and your departure will be March 11, and your room type will be superior, and that costs for 4,200. And here's your contact number, ma'am. I'll credit card you.
And also, I'm
there-
gonna pay on arrival.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any special request do you want, ma'am?
No. That's
Okay,
all.
ma'am. Thank you, and we'll see you on March 10, and have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.